Sounds and Letters Don't Agree by Lord Cromer, 1902. When the English tongue we speak, why does break not rhyme with weak? Won't you tell me why it's true? We say so, but also few. And the maker of a verse cannot rhyme his horse with worse. Beard is not the same as herd. Chord is different from word. Cow is cow, but low is low. Shoe is never rhymed with foe. Think of hose and douse and lose, and think of loose and yet of choose. Think of comb and tomb and bomb, doll and roll and home in some. And since pay is rhymed with say, why not paid with said, I pray? Think of blood and food and good. Mould is not pronounced like could. Why is it done but gone and loan? Is there any reason known? To sum up, it seems to me that sounds and letters don't agree.